YouTube and welcome to, for the first time or back to my channel. In this video we are going to be renovating my tiny little powder room prison bathroom. We started this powder room renovation before we decided to move, so there's a few things I didn't end up doing which I was going to do originally, but if I did them then I would have just had to take it all down soon anyway because we're moving. Like, I was going to do some shelving above the toilet and put some artwork up and things like that, but I decided against it because then I just have to patch the holes when I take it all down to move. Well, anyway, let's just get right to it. So I'm going to try and take you under the sink with me without looking extremely awkward. So I've got my little flashlight. Okay, so you see these two guys, you follow those little leads all the way up. And easy peasy, you just want to use your muscles that I obviously have so many of. And I'm just talking to the people. And twist it, and there's going to be a little bit of leakage, and that's okay! And you don't want to get it all over your phone. Oh my god. There's always going to be a little bit of leftover liquid in the pipes, even if you've turned this off. And you just use a little bucket to catch it, if you're smart. Or you just let it fall everywhere like I did. It's fine, everything's fine. Ugh, gross.
When this happened?
Oh man. I don't want to touch it. Oh. Okay, so I guess once you've removed your nasty old faucet, you just take it away and place it out of sight for a while because you don't want to deal with it. Beast mode. Oh, the hair.
Isn't Mommy strong?
I did it. It's over. So you can totally just remove the entire toilet as a whole if you have like a buddy to do it with you, but I'm doing it by myself, so I'm taking off the back first. Okay, here goes. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Oh, something fell. Oh my god, and a hernia. It's so gross. Human race is a disgusting species. But we did it! Good job, me. Ew. Ew, it's so gross. The hole. The little doo-doo hole.
We got a present for you, Auntie Nicole.
It's fine. I'm also going to be removing this light fixture and moving it to the upstairs bathroom since the upstairs bathroom light fixture is kind of broken. So a good way to do that is to turn on the light and then go to your breaker box and flick all the switches until that light goes out. Then you know for sure you don't have any electricity going to the lamp. Disclaimer, I am so not an expert. You're following me along doing this for the very first time. A lot of this stuff I'm doing for the first time. But hopefully it inspires somebody to say, oh, well, if that dum-dum can do it, so can I. Just be safe, you know? Gotcha. What is your your deal, man? Ah, here. So it's pretty, it looks like it's pretty basic. You just follow the colors of the cords. This is fine. Just unscrew, there's just like, the copper wire is wrapped around behind a little screw thingy to keep it in there, so you have to loosen that off. There we go. Now we unhooked the lamp. Neato. Got the white wire, it was connected to the white wire in the wall. Black wire was connected to the black wire in the wall. And then the copper was just wrapped around a little screw that went into the wall. Oh, I just went over all the walls with dish soap and water mixture just to get degrease and get anything gross off there. And now I'm just wiping it down with plain old water to make sure there's no residue left over from the soap.
What are you doing? What are you doing touching to me yourself?
Pro tip, if you don't have one of those can pour thingies to put on it, make sure you pour on the side that's French or whatever side you don't read, so that when you drip paint all down it, it doesn't matter. It's a little bit of a thick boy.
Today, glowing affections array. The nesting bird is flown, and I've never felt alone when I'm with you. You've got me running, got me loving, got a simple little haven that I built with you. I'm spending all my days growing up with you. A little lift up on a cottage with a little soul to love me.
Oh, I mean,
Oh, how she dreams.
oh my Lanta, I think I did it. Dual flush. Actually, I installed the toilet. Should we see if it flushes? Yeah? You want to do the honors? So you press it on this one right here. Press it all the way down. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. Woo! I'm just kind of eyeballing where I think it'll look nicest. That looks good, eh? I'm just gonna shove it in there. I'm not using an anchor or anything because it's a really light. It's a light. Wordplay. Feels good? Meep. No idea if I'm doing this right. I just wrapped the copper wire around the colorful bolt, and now I'm going to screw it into place. And then I'm just going to attach the white to the, yeah, that's supposed to be white. White to white and black to black. You twist it around and then twist this little guy on top to keep them grounded there or whatever. That's looking pretty good. Neighbors flushed the toilet again. Okay. I'm gonna turn the breaker back on.
That bathroom doesn't need a ton of light either.
Ah! Somebody high five me. Eh. Okay, So now I have to really put it together. Anybody can do it if I can do it.
Glowing affections array. The nesting bird has flown, and I've never felt alone when I'm with you. You've got me running, got me loving, got a simple little haven that I built with you.
So I just put this piping together. I used Oatly brand premium grade yellow ABS cement. I just want to say that I felt extremely in over my head when I was getting into this. The sink came and the piping didn't align right with the hole, and I was like, oh my god, I was not prepared to be a plumber today. But I went to Home Depot with some measurements and pictures of what was going on under the sink, and their employees are really helpful there. I don't know about in other places, but in my city, the people at Home Depot have been extremely helpful.
An extra sense awoken when I'm with you. You got me running, got me loving, got a simple little haven that I built with you. I'm spending all my days growing up with you. A little rooftop on a cottage with a little soul to love me.
What the heck? Okay, what am I doing wrong?
Mom, what happened?
I don't know. I can't figure it out.
Go to me. I'm a doctor.
Okay, so easy peasy. Just gotta make sure that you got the hot line going to the hot water. Same with the other side. Screw it in, and then get yourself a wrench to torque it. Make sure it's tight. Tight. Okay, so now I'm working with some plumber's putty for the first time, and I'm just going to take a little bit out. This piece is the part that goes underneath, and then this piece will screw into that part. But we want to put a little bit of plumber's putty just around the base of it, just to ensure that you won't have any water leaks. Oh, and you want to make sure that this end is pointing to the back so that your drain stopper can go in.
I don't know what's outside that door, but I'm terribly nervous. Best stay inside so I can hide. Feeling trapped and isolated. Save me from my fears, my failures.
Oh my god, look at it running and not leaking and everything. Yes. See, whatever this is called. You know, the thingy that makes the stopper go up and down. Burp. Okay, so I had to like makeshift this thing because it wasn't long enough. It didn't reach. I don't know if that's a problem anyone else has ever had, but I don't know what that's all about. And the people at the hardware store were like, huh?
I'm just the nervous kind. Wow. Hide away from what could get me, so I cower in my safe world. A dash of delusion and worry, and I'm terribly crazy.
hope you enjoyed my attempt at renovating a bathroom for the first time. It was a learning curve, but it was fun. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.
I don't know what's outside that door, but I'm terribly nervous. Best stay inside so I can hide.
Still the sink? Okay, you gotta turn it on from here. Yeah, and turn it that way so it's not hot. Yay! Running water! You like it? Can you push it down and turn it off? There. Isn't that nice? Tell the people Mommy's awesome.
Mommy's awesome.